Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to adjust lightness of an image on Photopea. So first of all, we want to open Photopea. After opening it, we just need to drag the image for which you want to edit. So for adjusting the lightness, here on the top you can see here many options, and here is an option you can see here image, click on that. And here a second option you can see here adjustments, click on that. And here is an option you can see here hue or saturation, click on that. And here is a third option you can see here lightness. From here you can just adjust it, and after adjusting it, click on OK. So now you can see that you had been adjust the lightness of an image on Photopea. So that's it for this quick tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button for more such quick and very interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.